Alright, so on this video we're going to be taking a look at the Olsen Flow Gauge Regulator. This is a CO2 Argon or a CO2 Argon mixed gas regulator. This is from Harbor Freight. This is one of their newer regulators that they carry. They also carry a flow meter, and the really cool thing about this one is that it comes with this CO2 adapter here. So there's no longer any need to remove the nipple and change out all this and, you know, possibly damage the regulator trying to just remove that all by itself. So also don't pay attention to the background. Somebody's raping a goat back there. So the neighbor. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage this, and well, I'm gonna try to get this set up on the Vulcan and see how this works. This one is much better than what came with the Omni Pro 220 or the Vulcan Omni Pro 220. This one is a little bit bigger. It's also easier to read, as you can see here. You even have designated TIG and MIG color-coded chart there, which is pretty cool. And same thing for the high pressure side. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I've unboxed this, and I mean, it feels pretty solid. I mean, I'm liking this regulator way better than what the Vulcan welders come with. I mean, this is way bigger, way easier to read, as you can see there. I've hooked it up to the tank. I've put it under pressure. I got some soapy water in a bottle here, and I'm going to go ahead and check for any leakage. I don't see anything. Alright, so I made a crappy bead here. I don't mind it. It's just a little bead there that I put on some scrap metal there. But yeah, the regulator works just fine. It flows. It does what it's supposed to do. So I mean, I like it. I like that the gauge is color-coded for TIG and MIG, so that's pretty cool. And I actually ended up using the adapter that came with it, and all I did was make my own little custom holes, and it worked just fine. I mean, it's a better regulator than what the Vulcan welders come with. That's my opinion on it. And it seems like it's just much, well, let's just say more solid, and it's a bigger regulator, that's for sure. But either way, that would be that is a great upgrade for any of the Vulcan line of welders, even the cheaper Chicago branded welders or Chicago Electric. Alright, so that was my take on the Olsen Flow Gauge Regulator. It does CO2 Argon and CO2 Argon mixed gas. So with that being said, the item number is 63787. Again, 63787. I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching. All the new people who are new to this channel, my new subscribers, all my subscribers. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.